All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. So we are back again in a video reaction. I am not here to give Lasuba what she actually wants. She wants us to be talking about her. Everything is about her, but that's not why we are here. But for the sake of posterity, we need to digest one or two things. We need to expose some of her lies. Whether you like it or not, it's worth doing. Why? She often said that the kind of was defending her mother. Oh, when they were so defending my mother is not a bad thing. No, it's not a bad thing. Especially a good mother, for that matter. So Lasuba, we are back again. We're back again. Please share the video and like it. It's going to be very, very quick. Slow and steady. You know your pattern, right? You know how we do it here. So there's a part that Obieze says something that I want you to hear. And this to tell you that why Isocha's fan and her followers are just like her from A to Z. Adult, youth, old and young, they are all the same. And for the fact that she cannot stop lying, we may not stop exposing her lies. Not because I hate her, I don't hate anybody, but I have to be straightforward in what I do. I don't condemn some evil because it's because of the person that I perpetrate that evil. I condemn evil because evil is evil. Anything I have told her and her gang, anything you think that Kai report is not actually paying attention to, you have your platform, bring it on. Let's hear. And evidence. Let your claim be evidently based. Have some proof to what you are claiming. You don't just talk because you want to talk. Because you need to understand that you are talking to people, and blackmailing someone thinking that that's going to help you to be relevant is not a good thing to do. But I can't force you. That this saying that says you can take a horse to a river, but you can't force that horse to drink water. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. So without wasting much of your time, let's quickly rush to that program. Let's quickly touch it the way it's supposed to be. Like I told you, I cannot promise you that we are going to go all out to waste time, explaining or talking about her lies. So she have right to lie, but we have right to choose the part we want to talk about. I hope we are good on that. So having said that, let's quickly go to this program and hear Lasuba dishing out lies.
How to scam or try a situation, or try a situation. But when they group with their terrorist group, and I was so mad, and I was in the then that community desert. I'm very sorry. Not again.
Their plots with the Nigerian state, with the legitimized government. All of them, their signature, none of them is there. All they are doing that they planted to use to disturb us, to distract genuine Biafrans, but they know they've already failed. They do not ask Nigerian government the billions that they use
just then as a leader, the United Nations flag,
to wage this secret war against Biafrans. Where does Nigeria get the money from? Where did they get the money from? You fools that are saying we are raising money. Do you ask the Nigerian state the money, the weapons they are using to come into Biafra land to attack and kill innocent Biafrans? Do you ever care to ask them where they raise the funds from? You fools.
And leader, now causing them money fools. Fools, you fools. None against and the international world are watching her.
You see, the foolishness of this woman is beyond human comprehension. Even Master can do use some harsh words. That is what freedom fighters do. Real freedom fighters, not mushroom saboteurs. Saboteur sympathizers. That is where you come from. Master can use harsh words. Even PM. There was a time or some that some of his broadcasts. You will see him fuming, using some words, pouring out his mind. Freedom fighters, they don't pretend, they don't lie. Unlike you. That's why when you say you are a freedom fighter, you are fighting. When I hear that, I look at you as like you are just a fool that don't have any shame. What she said here, there's nothing wrong with what she said here. I know you. I'm not saying you should accept it because she was actually addressing people like you, people who don't understand the gravity of what is going on. Check your program, man. Do you realize how many times you have called out Biafra not to donate money? You brought out account and telling them not to put money there that it belongs to Fulanese. Ahe namaro organize. Why don't you call your siblings in homeland to register accounts? Because of my cable now, cable account to say the money. Oh, you don't want? Then when they will not use account to belong to you, when not the money. The complaint it's not as if they are not using that money to do what the money is meant for. Humanitarian fundraising is what it's called. You can research it, you can use a dictionary and find what is the meaning of that. You are not satisfied because you have been looking for an excuse where to lay hand to label her bad person. Because I just want to listen.
Quick to talk rubbish, carry propaganda. You want to know what we use our fundraising to do. You want to know what we use our humanitarian fundraising to do. Really? You want to know? We use it to bury your mother.
Well, you want to know? We will use it to bury your mother.
Also, we will. It says we use it. We will is future occurrence. We use it on our way. Bury your mother and listen. If never. Honestly, one of the things I would like to know is if there's anything like siblings from her side. I would like to know somebody that shared the same womb, that shared the same womb with this woman, or the face of the woman that gave birth to her. Or let's just see it, because I'm kind of eager to know that. I'm chief of Yeremia. I'm telling you. You know. Lasuba is somebody who don't understand anything decency. Everything about her is cut and joined. She just asked them, give them the question, give them the answer that deserved to their question. Tell us what we use the money that we are fundraising, what we are using that for. Because they want to compile file and submit to FBI. It's not the hidden things. Even you working with maybe somebody suggest that you could be worthy of Congress. I felt that the way, because based on your own point, you said that your Johannes contracted you some time ago, and that contract has not been terminated. Because you did not tell us that it was terminated. And like I asked yesterday, if you said that you're not working with Johannes, how come they add you in the group that made you to see that this kind of happened to be in the group truly? If you don't answer that question, there are some questions that Lasuba cannot answer. Like, to me, I think that she have taken those questions as a grave secret. What do I mean by the grave secret? A secret that someone can keep until the person payment. One is the letter that she submitted in the day she went to Finland, quote unquote, protest, according to her. Riot. That letter that is submitted, who wrote it, who authorized it, who sent you, what is the content of the message. And you have the audacity to tell us now that Nkosara President Ogekere told Finland that that there's nothing like Fulani killing in our land. You just cook up story because this could be one of the content of the letter you submitted. That's why you are now trying to label it on somebody on time before you be exposed. Because every secret in this life will be exposed. Whether you may not be here then, people will still dig it out to find out the truth. That is how Abacha looting was discovered. It's not even though at his own death, he's no longer here. After he's there, rather, the truth will surface. Okay, listen.
There's no way a leader or make this comment. A good person, somebody with a good heart, or make this comment.
Or make a comment. Nature Matifoji again erase. All the good very kind. It's you know your mother. My gonna go. Yes, now. No, go because you guys are so evil and so bad. Okay, she understands what you guys are doing. She knows what you want to do. It may go is not defending Maggie, like I said, proudly defending the mom because you will on even when they got the reason, how important it is for you to defend your mother. You know what are the point? Yeah, because I was actually trying to give you, polite answer. I forgot that you are Lasuba, that you are wired differently, unlike a wonder human being.
That social media, they are on the court. I see the way to. Have you seen this kind of nonsense before?
This is what we got caught in the Kokuya. To you now, it means something like you are so powerful. You are too powerful, right? Like, Iman, what I can't know able. What I know able or snow. Let me repeat it again. What I know or able or snow na toto. But okay, get have mass naturally men a kitty naturally no. You just know why look at us have no work. How much the breed one begging for rest. They want to rest. They want to catch some air. You understand? There's something that I'm suspecting. Somebody actually told me about the court case. Remember, PM told, this is my own opinion. This one is not intel. PM told Oginkere to withdraw court case, right? I think the same PM also said the same thing to this woman. They should just ignore her. This is my own take. Man, you only have because you want to show how useless you can be, because it is obvious that you are playing alongside with the template, with format submitted to you. And being that COS is not like Oginkere, is not like you and Imam Madaba and the rest of them that want to undermine and disrespect PM. You guys don't know. As tough as DPM may be, as tough as she may appear to be, I can see some humility where it's needed. Like when issue that has to do with the PM, you will see her showing that humility. When she traveled to Korea to represent, that is a sign of humility. Despite all the kankawam in the cabinet, those who want to Pharmacy Diana, I always call them cricket. She loves to call them cricket. And truly some of them are cricket. Ndi believe. And no shiko. Oye mentality. You don't want to be who you are. You don't want. You copy people. You know what? Like I said, I cannot, no matter your program is just a waste. I am actually responding to this because I just listened to the part where Obieze said something. Obieze, who choose to mention my name, and when I respond, she's panicking. He's panicking. He don't want to talk. But that is still for another day. It's good that he learned his lesson. Now, you hear this.
Men and women of goodwill. Men against you, men.
No.
Nigerians and Biafrans,
No.
if you know what they...
Excuse me. Men and women of goodwill. Hold on.
Oh my God.
I'm looking for the part of Obieze. Just bear with me. Let me look at it. Okay? I'm going to look at it first. Because I don't want to get to be too long, to be honest with you. Just a moment. Attention to hear the part where Obieze, the man called himself Obieze, decided to say something. Just listen. Just pay attention. So you are going to hear him now. You're going to hear him now. So and it seems like she's not calling back Obieze. So let us just wait and hear what he has to say. Gang of liars. We must hear from Obieze before you go. HMS get that big and social media well. It's going to mad issues all on Malu. Anyway.
Yes. And then you were the time that goes on like this.
It's not tired of it. Can every day. I'm still waiting for a handbag or a watch bag. Let's just wait. Hear this. He's here.
I'll just pick it up on the wall. And the person that I want to have well saying you're not getting up. Yeah, when I get a bottle. I know my people know where I want to know Julia question. That was all the hand. Who are for to that question now? Also, who are that question? Yes. Yes.
I'm amazed is very, very important too. In another. For the Catholic in the house, at catechism gajogi ginibo no yebo much nekeje mogo. Gene na ya ki kwere ya need you cheni for chukwu negosiro. Ima, if you don't have it, you don't have it. There's no two ways about it. What you have said here, Makande the brain had it somehow mixed up with the Kedi fan about manaki. And kind of natural black. Enuaki. Some people, including these two liar machine, including them, they always want to know. Ego na atụrụ ngozi ara bụ goro funani, gịnị ka o ji ego afọ eme? Ọpụtazi sawazie gị ya, ha na-ebe akwa. Ịjụọ stupid question, the tendency of receiving stupid answer is very high. Like I said, she is very, very polite. Anything. Normally, also what just happen to these people. That joy and them matter. Get the money. Come draw on a man of the meaning of humanitarian. But they don't believe it. Because the answer they want to know or hear is we have 30 soldiers that we have purchased for 30 soldiers. We have 300 soldiers. The 3,000 soldiers there. That's what they want to hear. They will not compile it with the go and do this, go and say that, guy. You know that kind of thing. And that is what they are not getting. And they are somehow pissed off. Do you understand? They are somehow pissed off about the whole thing. Very, very easy. I'm going to allow him to vomit his own side of lies. Okay, young man. Okay, now go for it. On the point that again, I want to be made debate. You can't even reason, you can't even use your brain. Must you run propaganda on everything? Oh, there I got more fun. I yourself. I took a propaganda. So you go so hospital. No, na one get legal before get me fair. You go leaning or second back. Yes, no legal only. It was an injection. But what I get about ya? I cause it first. Oh, then that. If you go. Anyway, let us hear from him. Let's hear from him. Okay. I think I skipped it again. On the Labonde again. Omechi go on singing on Sakwan na buy honorable na ndị but next. Now listen.
Type of mind, somebody useless. Okay.
No, I think we skipped it a lot. Let me go back.
This woman,
let us start from the beginning again, so that he can say it the way he wants. Oh, I don't know, but I take it in a cool. All have been an abu. All have been an abu. They cannot share about that place. You must say it. I must hear that part.
Oh my God, how can I not get tired of this criminal? I'm tired.
Okay, come on, I confess. Okay, come on.
That's not body.
No,
Type
okay.
of mind.
Why is it difficult for me to look at that part? Now let's just wait, because if I keep on going back and forward, it will affect the whole thing. Let's just wait.
Hello.
Hello.
Now he's here. Listen. The people on the we show we are. The man itself.
And all my people know where I want all my question. That will call the
Mama for question, because someone on your question. Yes. Yes.
Humanitarian is not a level. And so far, when Canada in but I think that is important. I don't give you a record because automatically this particular job all the game no, which will not be a license from the humanitarian. You know what I mean?
Yes.
That's coming down on me. No, it's a really that's not coming down alone. All want to be doing up their license down.
And he's not. She's not a human being. And go with license for calling her a terrorist. Indeed, believe she can't react to your stupidity because now neighbor obvious. I'm not going to make it is a gabo or is a change. I don't understand. Obvious. What is your real name actually? Obvious. What is your real name? She everywhere. Listen to this. Okay.
Exactly.
That's not his loan. I will not hear government China or then when the government or when somebody is body. This is loan. All want to do just then I thought never heard it and that's not again without the evidence. Then that place at the minute. Now why you guys they problem.
Oh no, I don't know America won't be anybody out with it.
I think I want you want to see it.
One thing you need to understand is that Alorana, the easiest thing to do to destroy something is one of the easiest thing to do, but to build something is the most difficult thing to do. You are planning on how to end USB registered or to take her license from her work, to jail her, to imprison her. Some of you even wishing to buy her. You forgot that you have your own work. You forgot, like even your platform, even your source of income. You have your children. You have everything going for you. People can also start thinking the same way against you. How about it? More dinde, more now. Because now, what I carry in a nwa adịghị nkịrịka n'anya ọ mean very ọ dịka gold n'ebe nne na nna ya nọ. Nwatakịrị ifo na ifo dị child ọ dị nkịrịka n'anya hapụkwara ya ewu ya na ọ dị important. Ị na-aghọta ebe okwu m na Ghana all this tigbo zogburu na-eme suppose go with limit. Think about it. Your own quiet time. Think about it. She's not alone. I hope you know that. She's for Biafran, and Biafrans are solidly behind her. That's why all the group you guys have formed cannot stand. I said it before, that when this woman was deceiving the Liberation Army, that I felt bad about it. Not for any other thing, because normally the Liberation Army should have just asked some questions on their own. A guy, contribution. In that contribution, a big financial support. They need to put it also to their, put it in their decision. They need to consider that part. They should have put it into consideration because if you ignore that source, that support will end. But somehow they believe that it's about the way they themselves choose instead of where people that are bringing money are. I'm just saying, Oye maga my fenko. Oye nachokone maga will twist it like the ghost always twist my word. Although I don't have time for the ghost now.
With a lawyer, that's not lawyer. There's nobody. I didn't feel all the time. Without a lawyer, you have individual case or you have a nation. But I'm government that what are you going to do?
Careful how senseless.
There's nobody.
Give how senseless to this man today. They have a nation. Yet you fall back. You are not even support. He said, no, that's what I saw we are. And no, if you were government yet. Can you just hear yourself? As a man, what can you do? Do you understand? What can you offer? And I'm not going. Let me answer.
This kind can never happen. This kind can never happen. But it's possible somebody in public will make this type of statement. Only can be useless in life at all. Even when born and when I'm born, that will not born and born. She can never do anything. Yeah. Maybe somebody with this type of mind, evil man, somebody useless. Okay. Everybody get this.
Now, it will level, to be honest with you. Okay, no one, neighbor, wait, in Pataka. About what they say, you can manage it. Manifika Pataka. That one, she like a man, on can they were annual celebration, like, and they were anniversary of Itim Pataka. Itim Pataka, every year they were anniversary, because they need to upgrade in that level, the idiocy. Man, people can repent, can be amended, you can amend it, you can adjust, you can help them. Man, I keep going to Team Pataka or follow come undiluted. You can't do anything. Oh, if you take it, one. So it may be fabulous. Oh, Team Pataka. It's an abo. Chineke. Inechi tiba go na draw getting them. You know, if you are in America, you can't go in a country na mamegala where agitated properly. You know, in America. My chimas Americana, some no one fan of Jack, give him a winner. Third leg or form casual. Because I'm not gonna continue playing this nonsense. I just wanted to see the mindset of these people. No, you have your license in Africa. If you're not going to get a shop, okay. Other gonna if you're not what where's your own shop? Okay, if you live in America, get your own company, get your own. You guys are insulting yourself, honestly. Anyway, my people, tell me what you think about it. God bless you, and make sure you like the video before you go. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and see you again. Hopefully, I pray that we are gonna come live tonight. It's gonna somehow be late, but I just hope that we will do that, because somehow I need to rest. To be honest with you, today has been a very busy day for me. God bless you. Bye bye for now.